Google just dropped an AI model that runs entirely on your device. No internet, no subscription, no cloud, just you, your phone or laptop, and a full AI model working offline. It's called Gemma 4. And this might be one of the biggest shifts in AI we've seen in a long time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Gemma 4 is, how to install it, how to use it, and I'll even test it on my phone in airplane mode to see if it really works with zero internet. If you've ever been curious about local AI, privacy-first AI, or just want to see whether a free offline AI can actually compete with ChatGPT, this video is for you. Let's jump in. So first, what exactly is Gemma 4? In simple terms, it's Google's newest open AI model. And the really wild part is this. You don't need to pay for a subscription, you don't need to sign up for anything, and you don't even need an internet connection once it's downloaded. You run it locally on your own machine, which means the AI lives on your device instead of sending everything to the cloud. And it's not just some tiny demo model either. Gemma 4 is built on the same world-class research behind Google's most advanced AI technology, and now they've made it available in a way regular people can actually use. Even better, it's released under the Apache 2.0 license, which means it's open, flexible, and usable for personal or business projects. That's why people are paying attention, because this isn't just another AI release. This is AI that you can actually take with you. To get started on desktop, you'll need a local AI installer. There are a few options out there, but for this video, I'll be using LM Studio. It's free, beginner-friendly, and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Go ahead and download LM Studio from their official website. Once it's installed and open, head over to the search icon on the left-hand sidebar. From there, type in Gemma 4, or simply browse the model list and select it manually from the recommendations. Click to begin the download. Now, depending on the size of the model and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so sit tight. Larger models will take longer, but they also tend to give better responses. Once the download is complete, click Select a Model and choose the one you just downloaded. And just like that, you're up and running. Now let's put Gemma 4 to the test and see what this model can actually do. First up, calculus. What is calculus? Gemma 4 gives a detailed explanation of the definition of calculus. I'll upload a math problem and see how it handles it. And there we go, Gemma 4 solved it accurately. That is pretty impressive for a model running entirely on your local machine with zero internet connection. Let's push it a little further. I'll ask it to build an animated lead capture page. I'll let it write the code entirely on its own and see what it produces. Honestly, not bad at all. Clean layout, smooth animation, ready to use. Now let's try something fun, a game. I'll type in the prompt, let it write the code, and check the preview. And here's what Gemma 4 built. That is genuinely solid for a fully local model. Before we move on to how to install Gemma 4 on mobile phone, here's a quick tip for anyone who doesn't want to download anything locally. You can actually run Gemma 4 directly from Google AI Studio, right in your browser. Head to AI Studio, navigate to the playground, click the model selector in the top right corner, choose Gemma, and pick either the 26 billion or 27 billion parameter model. It's a great way to try it out before committing to a local setup. Now let's talk about getting Gemma 4 on your phone. On Android, open the Play Store. On iPhone, open the App Store. Search for Google AI Edge Gallery and click on Install. I'll drop the direct download link in the description and pin it in the comments below so it's easy to find. Once the app is open, you'll see a list of available models. Select the recommended model and start the download. Alright, let's test it. I'll ask it, what is machine learning? And now, I'll turn off my internet connection completely to prove this is running 100% offline. There's your answer. No internet, no cloud, no server, just your phone doing all the work. And the best part? Your conversations, your questions, your data, none of it ever leaves your device, 100% private. Now to be transparent, Gemma 4 does have one limitation worth knowing about. When I asked it, what time is it right now? Here's the response I got. I don't have access to real-time information, so I cannot tell you the exact current time. Please check the clock on your device, so keep that in mind. Gemma 4 only knows what it was trained on. It has no access to live data, current news, or real-time information of any kind. That's the trade-off with running AI locally. You may also notice it runs a bit slower on mobile compared to desktop, and that's completely normal given the hardware difference. Let me know in the comments whether yours feels fast or slow. I'm genuinely curious to hear what device you're running it on, and that's everything. Gemma 4, running locally on desktop and mobile, offline, private, and completely free. If this was helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.